In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto onto Draftkings. Now, one important thing to note is that not every state in the United States has access to this feature. Only a select amount of states do, and those states are Illinois, Kentucky, New Hampshire, and Vermont only. So if you live in a state like New York City, you are not going to get this feature, and unfortunately, it's not going to appear in the application. So before you do anything, it's important to note that you are in a state where you actually are able to deposit crypto and stuff like that. And anyways, if you are in a place where you deposit crypto, then all you will need to do is you need to go to the top menu, press over here where it says deposit. Of course, you will need to be on the Draftkings app and sign into your Draftkings account. Then afterwards, you're going to go ahead and need to scroll down, and then you're going to see an option that says crypto. And the way it works is that Draftkings is going to convert your crypto to USD beforehand, and then it is going to use that funds on your account, and then you're able to go ahead and place bets with it and stuff like that, and in general, just have a good time. So once again, it is a little bit unfortunate that only a limited amount of places can actually get this feature. I wish more of them had it, but I just want to be as transparent with you guys. Obviously, stay tuned because this is like one of the newest features out there. I'm not even kidding. It's been out for like less than a week. So you really want to go ahead and wait it out. And if you're watching this video in the future, potentially your state could have support for it as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.